Hello guys, today I'm going to do the Italian brain rot, the writing. So, I don't know how to say all of that. So that's why my little brother is going to help.
Hi.
So I know how to say this one at least. It is Blueberrini Octopusini. Okay, so I'm going to put him at, where must I put him? At
9.
No, number 7.
7.
Oh, this one is my favorite, but I don't know about you. What number must you put it?
4.
4, okay. What about Burbaloni Luli? What do you say that? Burbaloni Lulilio. He doesn't even
5.
know how to say it.
5.
No, well, let's put it at 6. Ooh, Lava Sintarto. How do you say it? I don't know how to say
8.
it. 8. Trippy Troppy, ne?
Yeah.
Trippy Troppy.
5.
Friggio Camilio.
9.
Tralalelo,
2.
tralala. 2. Posina.
3rd.
The number 3, not third, eh?
10.
10. Ooh, this one is actually my
Trippy
this is actually my second favorite. So at least this is a good lineup. So
Bye.